Okay. Hello everyone. How are you doing out there? This is Goodison Gamer once again with another video. And today I'm gonna take a look at Stunt Car Racer on the Commodore Amiga from 1989. And this is a game request by John Gage on YouTube. So, okay, single player league. Oh, I can write my name here. Cool. There you go. So I start in Division 4. Goodison back down to the right there. Okay. Let's push fire button here. Hall of Fame practice start the racing season. Yes, but we are not gonna play the whole season here. Just gonna go with the one track or something. Race 3 of 6. Okay. The little ramp. Oh, so here we go. This is where I shall drive. Alright. Let's push fire button here. Here we are. So it's cockpit view only. And I'm driving in this very deserted place out in the desert somewhere. Drop start. Off we go. There is my competitor. And I use Xbox One controller and I push upwards on my analog stick or D-pad. I use analog stick here. Oh shit. And I push backwards if I want to brake. And that's it. And there is automatic gears, I think. Okay, so if I push fire button I will do some kind of nitro, but I don't have nitro, so I shall wait for it. Perhaps I can get some. So there you go. So I have only gave this game like 1 or 2 test runs before, so I'm not good at it at all. I don't really understand what to do. Oops, shit, little bumpy there. So this is it. So there is only cockpit view, there is no chase view in this game. So it controls nice actually, I must say it's responsive. And my competitor is leading far ahead there. So I don't know how many laps I will drive here. I think I'm on my second lap now. It says L2 to the down to the left. And my speed meter is in the center. So it's very isolated. I feel very isolated. Shit. Oops. So I shall drive here and hope for the best and try to stay on the road. That is my main objective here. Try not to collapse or collide or what to say. So it seems there is an arena. It's said there on the menu just before the race, but I cannot feel the presence of any support or anything here. So I feel very isolated, deserted, abandoned, and heartbroken. Oh shit! Oh my god! Look at that crash! Oh. Here we go again. Yes, I have some kind of chopper with me that helps me up, so I'm not so I have one person supporting me. So I think I'm in my 3rd lap now. If L3 stands for lap 3. Oh, what the hell happened? I'm confused now. Race lost. Can I continue or press fire? Okay. Ah, shit, I'm there weeping. And is this the lynch mob that is standing to the left? No, they're supporting the other driver. Okay. Best lap, Goodison. Okay. What? Did I have the best lap time? No, I think Okay, that is my personal best. Okay, I think so. Yeah, so there you go. That was Stunt Car Racer. So yeah, we have seen the game a few minutes. It's pretty hard to give a verdict of it, but yeah, I mean, it looks kind of a little bit dated for today's standard, but I have to be just and judge it from its time. So back in '89, yeah, it looks very good actually for its time. It looks pretty sophisticated. I like the motor sound. I like the control. Seems to be pretty responsive and nice. So yeah, it's a 6 out of 10 for this game actually. So yeah, Stunt Car Racer on the Amiga. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good one. Goodbye.